Hello everybody, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome to the video. I'm Suggs.or. If you're here for the launch control tutorial and want to skip the cinematics, then you can jump to about that minute 15-ish mark in the video. For those that are still here, I'm here because I want to bring you as much content related to the a90 Supra as I can, from product reviews of stuff that I'm putting in on my own car, meetups here in the Pacific Northwest, tutorials, and then so much more. You can also follow the progress of my own build for turning my a90 Supra into a daily driven track car. I'm going full in on this build and have some really exciting stuff on the way, so make sure to check out my future videos. So a question for you guys, do you guys have launch control in your cars? If you do you like it? Do you avoid it? If you don't, do you wish that you had launch control, or can you just do it just as well yourself? Make sure to comment below with what stuff you guys want to see, and then click those like and subscribe buttons. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. So the first thing today is going to be launch control. I absolutely love launch control. This is the first vehicle that I've ever had that has launch control. It is 100% worth it. So to activate launch control, you're going to sit here and just hit the button once. You're going to see the traction control light, the sport traction stuff there, and then you're going to see everything on there. Now, you want to make sure that you don't hold this, because if you hold it, it's going to turn off all of the VSC stuff. That's if you want to more do a burnout. And then what you're going to do, put your foot fully on the brake and then fully on the gas. The RPMs it'll go to 2000 RPM, and you have 3 seconds from there. We are just about ready to do launch control. The car is in the correct mode. I hit the button, foot is on the brake. I like to keep it in automatic. You can always put it in sport manual mode if you want. Hit the gas, 2000 RPM, and release.